Hello everyone. For this week, the question is on law of supply in microeconomics. A passage along with two questions are given here. You need to read it carefully and answer the questions in 30 to 40 words each. I shall read the passage for you. In May 2023, tomato farmers in Nashik, Maharashtra, India, dumped their produce on roads due to a significant drop in prices. The oversupply led to prices as low as 30 rupees per crate, comprising 20 kilograms in it, which was insufficient to cover even the basic cost of production and transportation. This compelled farmers to offload their produce at minimal prices or discard it entirely to prevent further financial losses. This information has been taken from Times of India, dated May 20th, 2023. The questions are: 1. Why did tomato farmers in Nashik discard their produce in May 2023, even with excess supply in the market? 2. How does the situation of tomato farmers in Nashik challenge the typical law of supply? Let's have a look at the solution. Question 1. Why did tomato farmers in Nashik discard their produce in May 2023, even with excess supply in the market? Farmers dumped their produce simply because prices dropped to rupees 30 per crate, and each crate comprised 20 kilograms of tomatoes. The price was so low that it could not cover even the basic production and transportation cost. Selling at these prices would have caused more financial losses than discarding the produce altogether. So it was advisable to discard the produce. Question 2. How does the situation of tomato farmers in Nashik challenge the typical law of supply? The law of supply states that producers supply more goods when prices rise. But this was not the case so far as farmers in Nashik were concerned. Despite low prices, they had to offload excessive produce, implying that supply did not decrease even when prices were too low to be unprofitable for the farmers. Since tomatoes are perishable goods, farmers prioritized selling their produce quickly over reducing supply, because waiting for higher prices was not an option. This practical limitation hence challenges the law of supply. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.